What's going on? This is your boy Beowulf in the Hellcat. Man, it is almost the end of February. I'm wearing shorts and a t-shirt out. It's 52 degrees out. This is the Midwest. Usually we got tons of snow and it's freezing cold. I mean, this is like nice. This one day it's supposed to get up to like 55, and then it's supposed to, temperature's supposed to drop tomorrow, and then I think a couple days from now we're supposed to have snow again. So what the heck, weather, either be warm or cold. But I have to tell you, it's nice. I'm on my way to work and I get to drive the Hellcat again. I can't believe it. Usually I think these things would, you know, the Hellcat would sit all winter and not get be really used, and I can't believe it to have this many days in a row. I think this month so far I've driven it 3 days, which is unbelievable for February. I bought the Hellcat a year ago, beginning of February, back in 2017, now 2018, so now I have owned the Hellcat for 1 year. 1 year. And I have to tell you, for owning this thing for 1 year, I'm pretty impressed. It's a nice car, and I've owned a lot of high horsepower sports cars, and this is probably one of the vehicles that I'm like happy with it. I mean, there's stuff I want to do to it, mods, but I could be, if it didn't happen, I could be happy. I don't like to own a vehicle where I'm not happy, where I have to do this, or I don't like what it's called, or whatever. I'm happy with the Hellcat. There's no complaints. There's things to improve to make it custom, to be the Beowulf Hellcat. It's what the plans are. What do you guys think? That the next couple of mods should be. I got ideas. I want to hear what you guys got to say in the comments in the bottom. I've seen what these other Hellcats have done. They try to make their cars faster. I think that it's not all about going fast. It's about the vehicle looking good too, to custom it out. I really like the wide body Hellcat and the wide body Demon. That's why I'm in the works of figuring out what wide body kit to put on this. What's the point of selling such a perfectly nice machine to go get one that already has a wide body kit stock, and then you really can't do anything after that? And then, you know, it's like the Hellcat looks no different than the Demon. So, you know, where do we go with that? So, I don't know, I'm just rambling. But I'll tell you, it's nice to wake up. I had my coffee. That woke me up, but I'll tell you, getting this Hellcat and the supercharger, woo! Whiny, whine to work. People just get out of my way. I'm in a hurry. So this is gonna be a crazy day. So I have to work today, and then if you guys haven't seen past videos, I'm selling my house and moving to Myrtle Beach. So I've been having tons of showings, and usually I don't have showings on the days I have to work, because it just makes life really hard. And these people wanted to see the house yesterday and called my realtor, wanted to see it like right when, like they want to see it right when they called, which is like not happening. I got 3 dogs. I got to get the house prepped to leave. I had to leave. I had other plans. I wasn't even in the area anyways that I could have showed the house. So I'm going to show them today at 5:30. Yeah, it's 5:30. So I had to go to work, then go home, tidy up the house a tad, load up the dogs, and then this video is going to be just not let alone in the Hellcat. I'm going in the Jeep SRT for a little bit with the dogs. So this is kind of like an action pack of like jump between 2 SRTs at once. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure if you haven't hit that subscribe button, smash it! Smash it! Smash! Smash! Big news, things to stay tuned to is, you know, I'm selling my house, I'm moving to Myrtle Beach. How many YouTubers are jumping from one state, moving 8 states away, where life is going to be awesome, more action-packed, and I want you guys to come along for the journey with doing this, and that's why I hope you guys hit that subscribe button. Oh, check this out. Should I park next to the cop? I'm going to park next to the cop. I'm going to park next to the police. Woodstock police. Write me a ticket because I don't have a front license plate on. I got it somewhere in the car. But anyways, here I'm at work, so let's get inside there, get this going, and then I'll be back in the Hellcat a little bit. I'll film a little in the inside work, and then transition into the Hellcat, and then we're going to be going back to my house. We're we're gonna get the dogs loaded up, and boom, big bada boom, big things happening. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So here I'm at work right now, getting ready to leave here in an hour. But if you're new to the channel, links in the bottom. My business, Bursa Farm. We make all natural beauty products for guys, women. Make sure you guys take a look at it and try some of the stuff out. It's really good. We do a lot of sales, so we wouldn't be doing a lot of sales if we didn't have good stuff. So we have a retail store right now. We're not renewing the lease, and we're moving to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. That's part of the whole move where I'm selling my house and I'm moving the business down there. So there's only a couple of months left with having this store, and then we'll be moving and opening one down in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. It's nice today. Got the fans running. It's like super nice out. And then check this out. I got good parking today too. Check it out, Hellcat right there. Funniest thing is, like, I parked it up front of the store, and all day there's been people stopping and just parking there to take a photo of the car and then leave. It's kind of funny that I had a electrical company here replacing the meter, and the guy's like, I've only seen a Hellcat online, never in person, which I thought that was really cool. I gave him one of the cards, said, you check out the YouTube channel. So if you're watching, I plugged you in the video. So there's women's clothes. When we move to Myrtle Beach, we won't be selling any of that. I think right now here in the store we got all this women's clothing, like 30-40% off. I don't know what we're gonna do with that route when we go down there. We don't sell that stuff online. So you got more stuff, whole closet stuff full there. We're only sticking with the core products, like always. So make sure you guys take a look. Links in the bottom of my description. So just take a look at it. Just try one bar out. The cool thing too is we got free shipping. If you spend over $25, you get free shipping. So that's actually a really good deal offering that. So make sure you guys take a look at it. I just left work, and let's turn this town upside down. Well, this motorcycle's pretty loud, but let's wake this people up here and here's some real American muscle. Interesting thing is, this one time when I had to start up in you had the performance pages with the Hellcat, and it says SRT, and it actually showed up for like a regular Challenger once, loaded it up with a regular, usually there's a picture of the Hellcat, and it was like a regular Challenger, and it was like this glitch, and I don't know, I've had a lot of glitches with the screen in this, I don't know why, it's kind of weird, because it's a Hellcat. That's Woodstock for you. We got the local homeless yelling out stuff, and I'm not gonna do something illegal. I think he should do something that's legal and go get a job. This is just my opinion. That's funny is you guys might think I saw jerky to this guy, but the same homeless person that just said a comment, he got banned from where you just saw the square. He got banned 2 years ago or a year ago because he pulled down his pants and defecated in front of family or kids and stuff. So it sounds like a very legit person, you know. And it's funny because if you don't know what defecating means, the guy pulled down his pants and went number 2 around a bunch of children and families and stuff. What kind of person is that? What kind of person does that? But this guy lives in the Woodstock area, and this is yeah. reset. Change the subject. All right. Yo, so it's been crazy. It's like all these people are taking photos. I got this sign that plugs my YouTube channel. I just put in the rear window because I was like, there's so many people looking at the Hellcat, and like, you gotta know, hit the subscribe button to see all the kind of cool content that's going on. Man, it's like 63 degrees out right now. I mean, you can't. There's the windows down, shorts. Hell yeah, this is awesome. Hell yeah, and the Hellcat. Oh man, that supercharger sounds so loud now. I have this other race filter with the BWoody intake. I should put it in. Next time I drive it, I'll put it back, put it in, but it makes the supercharger even whine louder than what it already is. Now the craziest thing in this Durango SRT, the Eric the Red has. Now my Jeep SRT doesn't have this. The Hellcat doesn't have this. You press this button on the dash and it actually pulls up the rear view camera while you're driving. Not to say I wish this had it, because that'd be awesome. I wish the Jeep SRT had that, because that'd be freaking awesome to be just seeing what's behind you all the time. I think it is, it only lasts like a couple minutes. Not even that, like 60 seconds. I think it's just primarily to check like your trailer if you're pulling a trailer. Wish that, like, it's similar to like the iPhone, where there's like updates and then people had older iPhones kind of get the newer software as what the newer iPhones have. I wish with the Uconnect that Mopars all have, that they would work the same way, where you would get updates as to what some of the newer stuff is. I think that's the one thing that's lacking in the automotive field, is I think it's like, for example, like the Jeep SRT, and if people want the track car because it has the Hellcat engine, well, why? And I know they offer selling the Hellcat engine, but I mean, I think they should be able to have, there's like a package to make that car become what you want it to be. Not everybody wants to spend $100,000 in a Jeep Trackhawk, and they just want the engine. I think that, you know, where they make it more realistic to buy it, I think on the price would really, you can really get a lot of work coming in for these dealerships too, is retrofitting different stuff on. I think just, you hear that sounds like just like flutter. Like, that's so cool. I got this motorcycle behind me. Thinks he's gonna beat me. It's not happening. I'm beating the Hellcat. Not today, sir. Why is he following me to my house? Alright, so got the whole fleet here. Jeep SRT's pulled out. Hellcat's out. Check this out. Finally got both out at the same time. Oh. Alright, so now we're in the Jeep SRT. The house is all prepped, ready for the showing. Got the dogs loaded up. I will be so excited to see an offer come through, because this is like really, yeah, it's, I know, you guys don't like it either. They, last minute, they're like loaded up. They don't know where they're going. And this is the typical thing we've been doing for the last couple of weeks. Well, we've been doing it for months, but a lot more frequent in the last couple of weeks. So, hopefully something happens. Listen to this one. He's antsy pantsed. What? So if you're new to the channel, this one's Pike. Leo is the German Shepherd way in the back, and then somewhere hiding that's never really seen when I take them for car rides is Cash. Cash is always hiding. And this one's the wild man that loves speed. He needs to get some type of harness to be like hooked in here, because he looks like he's ready to like, he's like a hood ornament. It's kind of like the Rolls Royce. He's like, but he like sits in the center of the car like this.
Overspeed.
So what do you guys think from listening to both today in this video, listening to hearing both my cars run? Which one do you guys think is louder? Do you guys think the Jeep SRT is louder, or do you guys think the Challenger Hellcat I have is louder? I'd like to see you guys comments at the bottom. Which one do you guys think is louder? So this is like the fun things about trying to sell your house. This is, like I said in other videos, you know, it's the showing process. You want to impress the people when the buyers are coming in. So you gotta make the house look like perfect. Every time I leave, I make it perfect. So these people, I think I said earlier in the video, they wanted to come earlier yesterday. It was just, I wasn't even in the area. So hopefully these people look real urgent to see a home. Maybe they're to make an offer. Maybe we see an offer tonight. We don't know. We'll just have to stay tuned. I'm gonna have to stay tuned because I don't even know what's going on. It feels like right now, like my life is in limbo, because it's like I hear people that are interested in buying the house, and then nobody makes an offer yet, and it's like, okay, you're interested, make an offer. But I don't know. So we'll just have to wait and see. This dog has like ants in his pants. He's so excited to be for a car ride. What do you think, Pike? See, what Pike's trying to do is get as close as he can, you guys. He's like, you know, good this is a wide angle lens, because he's trying to stick this whole head right into it. But if you haven't yet, and you're new to the channel, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. Stay tuned to whatever new is coming out. Always, every day. It's like big stuff, big things happening. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's getting a little dark out to where I don't think it's worth filming anymore. And I don't really have much more else to talk about for today. Except for hopefully somebody makes an offer on my house. And there's some ideas what I'm going to be doing tomorrow with the Jeep SRT. So I'll take you guys along with that. I got some plans of doing something to it tomorrow. So I'm going to go do that. So stay tuned. You guys see the next video and see what news with the Jeep SRT. Take care. Later.